Hi guys, this video is dedicated on how to install your signatures for Gmail manually. So once we are on the dashboard of our website MySignature.io, you will see the list of signatures that you've created so far. Under the signature that you want to work with, there will be the button that says install. We just click it and we are on a new page. Here you will see all the manuals for whether automatic or manual installation, and also for different email providers. On the right, you will see the signature preview that you can double check if everything works out for you. If not, there is an option to go back to the editor. I'm pretty happy with my results, so I'm going to copy this particular signature to clipboard. I just press the text, and on the top right, there will be a successful pop-up window to indicate that everything went smoothly. After that, we are ready to go to Gmail. On the top right, we need to click settings and we will go to see all settings. Once we're here, we scroll down a little bit and there will be a separate section for signatures. We click on the icon of plus to create a new one. We can name our new signature as we wish. And on the right side, you can just paste the signature that we copied to clipboard beforehand. After that, we are ready to change the settings. That is completely up to you and your preferences. Once we are ready, we can scroll down to the bottom and click Save Changes. After that, we are ready to enjoy our designed signature. I really hope this tutorial was useful for you, and in case you run into any issues, please feel free to contact our support team and they will make sure your experience is as smooth as possible. Thank you for watching and have a great day. Bye bye guys.